Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Ma Victoria Breeze. Today, I will cook a pancit. It is a pancit bihon. This is my favorite, and because it's also birthday of my eldest son, Grayson De Leon, so I want to have like a pancit today for our snack. And this is my ingredients. It's so simple, not much ingredients really. I have in here pancit bihon. I soak it with water so it's already soft. Pork, I cut it into dice. I have 2 pieces of sausage, 1 onion, 1 medium carrots, monstro, or we call it one Chicharo in Philippines, French beans or bichuelas, and cabbage or repolyo. I have chicken stock, soy sauce, oyster sauce, garlic puree, and ground black pepper. So I will cook in the kitchen and I will start. So guys, I will start to boil the pork. Because the water from the pork is the one I will put in the pancit. So I will start with the garlic. You can use is fresh one, or you can use this one. It's like a fresh, but it was like puree already. So I put now the garlic. Next will be our onion. Let the onion be a bit of brown, and we can put some of the ingredients for our pancit. After we boil the pork, I set aside, take it from the water, and I will put it now in the pan to fry this one. Make it a bit brown. Cover it. Leave until it will be brown. And we put now our sausage together with the pork. So we put back our garlic and onion together with the meat. Put the carrots. the soy sauce. And the oyster. Mix it. And we can put a bit of water. Our French beans. One teaspoon of black pepper. It depends on your taste. You can put half teaspoon. Mix it. Our chicken stock. It is 2 pieces of chicken cubes I put, and with the hot water. With that, but put a bit more water. Let it boil. And it's boiling now. Mix it. We can put our mung stoat. It was like Chicharo in Philippines. So it will be soaked together with French beans and with carrots. I put now the cabbage. We'll taste if it is the taste is not salty. Oh wow, yummy. Good enough. It's nice taste. And we can put it now the pancit bihon. It is soft now because I put water on it. We will mix it. You know, the pancit bihon is always they grow. This is my favorite. And we just came from church. When I come out, I think that I need to cook for a pancit bihon for our snack, and because it was saying in Philippines, if there is a birthday is not complete without pancit. So birthday of my son, This is what I think to do to cook pancit. And I like many vegetables. So guys, this is now our pancit bihon. So yummy, so smell good. This is for my son. His birthday today, so this is what I made for his birthday, pancit bihon. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe, like, comments, and share, and don't forget to click the bell button so you will be updated for my next video. Thank you once again. Have a blessed Sunday. Keep safe. And God bless everyone. Bye.